Today at the studio, we have with us Harim Farooq, Adil Hussain and Mehreen Jabbar, the beautiful cast and director of film Dobara Phir Se. The film is coming out very soon, but we got a lowdown on what it's about and the fun that happened behind the scenes. So, team Dobara Phir Se. The name itself is very catchy. I mean, मैं काफ़ी जब भी सुनती हूँ ना तो मैं सोचती हूँ कि दोबारा फिर से क्या? I mean, let's start with Mehreen. What is दोबारा फिर से?
Well, it is there are two things. One, you will I think the name will make sense once you watch the film, but it's also about life coming full circle, about things starting again. एक होता है ना एक पूरा एक हम एक उससे गुजरते हैं और फिर एक चीज़ दोबारा शुरू होती है.
Okay.
So I can't get too specific, लेकिन जब आप फिल्म देखोगे, I think it'll become really clear. I don't think that कोई पूछेगा कि इसका नाम क्यों रखा गया ये.
क्योंकि मुझे तो वो फीलिंग होती थी कि क्लास में फेल हो गए और क्या दोबारा फिर से वही. So अदील क्या है दोबारा फिर से?
हाँ, we've been on the press run, so I think अब हमारा एक गेम बन चुका है. How many different meanings we can come up with. So the last one was दोबारा फिर से हमसे कोई सवाल कर रहा है. दोबारा फिर से हम एक फिल्म कर रहे हैं. दोबारा फिर से पाकिस्तानी सिनेमा रिवाइव हो रहा है. I think the meanings are adding on every day. So I think that it's working that way as well. When we're relieved that there's some profound reason for it, which the audience will only discover when they come and watch it.
ठीक है. और हरीम, आप it's your first film. It's दोबारा फिर से तो नहीं है आपके लिए. So what is the experience like doing a film after television?
नहीं है, दोबारा फिर से है मेरे लिए. क्या की थी मैंने एक ज़माने में, किसी को पता ही नहीं है उसका. खैर, लेकिन क्या कहते हैं लेकिन ऑब्वियसली मेरीन के साथ और फिल्म डायरेक्ट मतलब मज़ा नहीं आ गया. क्या लक बाय चांस हो गई.
ये कैसे हुआ?
पता नहीं मुझे. हाँ, वैसे कैसे हुआ?
मेरीन किस तरह?
यार मैंने बताऊँ, इसको सबसे पहले सरवत गिलानी की पार्टी पे देखा.
Nice.
So you
Sarwat Gilani's parties are doing well for actors.
must go there more often.
wedding थी, I don't know उस तरह. So ऐसे ये
yeah.
and then that's the first time, but मैं मिली कभी नहीं थी इससे. फिर मैंने जब कास्टिंग की बात आ रही थी तो I was looking for, because ये जो रोल था एक specific kind of role है. And जब आप देखोगे, I can't really talk much. It needed certain characteristics.
बहुत खूबसूरत लड़की है.
Exactly.
नहीं,
और एक certain age group.
मैं समझ गई why I stood out that night. क्योंकि ढोलकी It was written ढोलकी और मैं शूट पे थी और मैं मेहंदी का ही सीन कर रही थी और मैं शादी सिर्फ मैं वाहिद थी जो गोटे वाले कपड़ों में थी. बाकी सारे ये खो गए.
लंबी भी बहुत है. बहुत दूर से नजर आ गई.
तो आपको लंबी लड़की चाहिए थी या गोटे की?
नहीं. तो मैंने इसके फिर कुछ प्लेस देखे और कुछ लोगों से पूछा कि कैसी है, and then मैंने उसको फोन कर दिया. That's how the romance started.
Yeah.
So you guys met for the first time on the set.
Yes, we did. Skype पे काफ़ी हज़ार बातें हो गई थी, फ़ोन पे हो गई थी, WhatsApp पे हो गई थी, but first time we actually laid eyes on each other was in my apartment, Brooklyn में, है ना?
First we had like some internet love going on.
Yes.
Skype calls. And then we finally decided to meet in New York.
That is sleepless in Seattle.
And we were actually sleepless in New York. There was no sleep.
नहीं तो बहुत intimidating बात होगी, because I would think Mehreen Jabbar, I mean जब मुझे पता लगा she's coming here, I was like, okay, I hope I asked the right questions. So,
Actually,
you know,
you're
just
right.
working with her would
Really?
be,
I mean, not to praise you because you're sitting here, but Mehreen, we never hear about Mehreen, shaking up anything, and she's got such a calm presence, and people keep on asking us. That's a difficult question to answer. कि कैसा लगा जब मेहरीन जब्बार ने आपको
and
डायरेक्ट
you
किया?
worked quite a bit with her before.
Yes, and I was like, a movie हो रही है, I better come up with something very interesting to say, and but it's the subtleties, it's the fact that she knows her work. That's good.
So what do you think, Adil, is the best thing about her as a director?
She knows her work really. I mean, that's what we're all here for, right? And she has excellent instincts, and she just frees her actors up. पता होता है इनको बहुत कुछ. मेरी अपनी theory है कि इनको मतलब she lets us know less, and which is perhaps also part of her job. You just feel you're in good hands.
Okay.
And you feel like you're there for the work. And it's like being in a very nice classroom where you're having a lot of fun.
Okay.
And you're not feeling like you're being taught or anything. And suddenly you're done with it and your project is done.
And it's a beautiful
Yeah,
project at the end of the day.
Inshallah,
because-
we hope.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
हमारी
because abhi
उम्मीदें-
tak whatever work we've seen, especially you two collaborating, was one play which was Jackson Heights, and I think there was Matai Jan,
Yeah.
and they were both
Dam
pretty.
also.
Yes.
Okay, Dam also. So, what is it about Adil कि आप बार you want to work with him? ये क्या है?
Finally, somebody's asking the real question.
When are you
But
doing
Adil, the way we met was दाम के लिए auditions हो रहे थे. And उस
We
वक्त
also
ये-
met at a मेहंदी
हाँ,
party.
मेहंदी. देखो
अच्छा,
मैं
तो आपके
मेहंदी-
शादियों में
पार्टियों
पार्टियों
पे
में जा जाके
मेरा
meeting
करियर
कराते हैं।
इसीलिए नहीं जेट ऑफ हुआ कि मैं किसी शादी में नहीं गई.
मैं इतना बता दूं because लोग excitement चीजें पूछते रहते हैं. Coming back to your answer, but I remember that I was a little dejected by
You were
whatever.
also wearing gota and.
No, I was going through my like maybe I'm not going to act for a bit.
Okay,
Right before
okay.
that, I'd done a bunch of projects and जरा मेरे लिए मुश्किल था adjust करना. और मैं फिर एक मेहंदी पे निकल गया था. मैंने नया Mark II लिया था and I was just there at a friend's wedding and I was like I'm just going to do some photography there.
Okay.
So I was there clicking away. Then suddenly I see Mehri. Then somebody tells me oh, that's Mehri. I was like oh
And
amazing.
things go in slow motion.
No, things were not going in slow motion till I found out later that there's going to be an audition. So anyway, please continue.
तो उसके बाद then I thought okay he will bring in that professionalism I was looking for because that's I think the number one thing I look for in all actors is how serious are they about their work
Okay.
and किस वजह से वो इस industry में whether to become superstars and become all well known and for their face to be everywhere or do they really believe in what they're doing and in the characters. So all my life I've tried to work with such people wherever I can and I thought Adil gives this his best so.
And 4 projects down, it shows that you are then a professional actor, serious about your work.
I don't think I would have been acting till now. If I just at those times I was not doing Mehreen projects. It was like okay, I've done another Mehreen project, so if I don't get anything for a bit, I'm okay. And so no, it's been amazing.
So there must be a good friendship between the two of you as well.
Yeah.
After such
सबको
a
मैं इनको
journey.
डांटती भी रहती हूँ नसीहतें देती रहती हूँ वहाँ
तो
से
ये तो पता लग गया कि you will work with people you're comfortable with. हरीम का चांस है अगले प्रोजेक्ट में कुछ यहाँ कि
दिल्ली का बस दिया हो गया खत्म
Is she-
जाओ
is she- because I know Hareem from a very different angle. We're like friends. So as a working उसमें how good is she? We know she's a great actress. Okay. बड़ी लंबी खामोशी. I think next question.
No. I want to say I would love to work with her. I think it's a great. I think I lucked out कि इससे मुलाकात हो गई and she became part of the film. And I think she has a long way to go. And मैंने ये बात मायरा को कही थी जब उसने मेरा पहला बहुत ही बुरा सीरियल किया था.
What are you trying to say?
मैंने वैसे कहा था मायरा कि तुम्हारी बहुत तुम आगे जाओगी तो मैं इसके लिए भी यही कह रही हूँ.
लंबी टांगे इसलिए बहुत आगे जाएगी.
Oh wow, thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.
The things females notice about each other. I've done a whole film and I didn't realize.
No,
this.
but for me,
Do you have long legs?
honestly, coming this from Mehreen, I mean, she's someone I've looked up to for a very long time. I've always wanted to work with her. Coming this from her is like.
What was your favorite part, Hareem, about this film? Apart from the fact that she Mehreen Jabbar की film है, what is it that got you interested in the project?
Honestly, initially it was just Mehreen Jabbar. Because when, see, as an actor, you have a list of directors you want to work with. ठीक है, तो Mehreen was one of the top 5.
Okay.
तो मैंने कहा कि okay, oh, check. Mehreen was done हो गया scene. तो मैंने कहा कि I have to do this. मतलब मैंने I didn't even ask you कि is it a lead, is it a supporting, what character? She's like वो script आ रही है तो मैंने next week I'm gonna narrate it to you. I was like हाँ ठीक है perfect. तो वही हमारा internet love Skype call set हुई and Mehreen was telling me the story and all. तो मैंने कहा कि interesting, nice. Then the story.
मेरा character क्या है?
नहीं फिर when I asked her, I was like पूरा मेरी ने सारा बताया. मैंने कहा अच्छा so for which character are you considering me? She's like Zainab. मैंने कहा Zainab? Really? अच्छा. मैंने कहा you sure? तो she's like हाँ क्यों कोई मसला है? मैंने कहा because I was shocked कि मतलब see for me it's something वो कहते हैं ना कि मैं तो कहती हूँ कि लिटरली मेरी गोद में आके गिरा है. मतलब I feel I'm blessed. I feel extremally lucky and I'm grateful for this opportunity क्योंकि अल्लाह में प्लीज़ और भी मिलती रहे ऐसी opportunities क्योंकि it's not an everyday thing. मतलब from TV yes मैं अपनी productions कर रही थी लेकिन coming उसके सब बीच में मेरीन जबार की एक offer आना it was something huge for me. मुझे क्या साल हुआ है टीवी करते हुए, तो मैंने तो कहा हाँ पहली टिकट पकड़ो. And then I asked about the cast. फिर जब स्टोरी सुनाई, पहले मेरीन जबार होगी, फिर then I heard the story. इससे क्या है, तो this is an interesting story.
पूछने की आपकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई?
मैंने पूछा, मैंने कहा now that you've offered me Zainab, who else is playing? और कौन है?
Good you waited.
Yeah.
You asked at the right time. अब मुझे ये बताएं.
फिर अगला जवाब
मैं किसको शो मारूं जाके?
नहीं, very good point. I just want to add इतना ज़रूर कि ये तो Marine's experience that she's able to cast that way, having like a Skype chat with the actress and just watching her work and meeting her. But हमारे मुल्क में थोड़ा ये perspective भी है कि जैसे किसी और नौकरी की तरह 10 साल लगने चाहिए किसी को. It's good. Somebody said this, that of course it takes 10 years to become this or that kind of expert. That's true. But another thing is just knowing that something is working today. Some actors doing good work today, और अब current youthful young actors के साथ ये होना चाहिए कि किसी को अगर थोड़ा talent नज़र आ रहा है उसको फ़ौरन harness करने. You don't go out of your way and say, oh, very good, but अभी नए हैं तो 5 साल टीवी करने दो.
अच्छा, मजे की बात है कि मेहरीन के साथ ये नहीं कि मेहरीन जब्बार एक नाम है तो उसके साथ काम करना है. You want to work with her क्योंकि you get to learn something new. और ये हुआ है मेरे साथ.
And you think you're a better actress now after this experience?
Absolutely. क्योंकि मुझे जब मैं
I don't
मेहरीन
understand ये क्यों कहते हैं, because I believe in letting actors grow. I'm from that school of thought कि आप over direct नहीं कर सकते actors को, because I'm not an actor, I'm a director, and they will bring their own. Once we have a conversation, they'll be aligned कि ये character है, and they will surprise me. And if I feel कि वो अलग जा रहे हैं, then I will maybe say कि इधर वापस आ जाओ. But I don't believe in कि ये line इस तरह बोलो या ये करो, अच्छा
But I think maybe it's that freedom that you give, that they recognize themselves.
Absolutely. I
what
mean,
my strong point is, and what kind of things I can do
over
better.
ना हो जाए, बाकी over होते हैं तो फिर कहना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, I mean, at Matayan I still remember because वो मुझे पता नहीं था उस वक्त बड़ी ये novels पे, कहानियों पे ड्रामे बन रहे थे, and I think people were so hungry to create hit television content. So I read that part और मेरा अपना इरादा था कि मैं उसको ज़रा as a geek थोड़ा सा एक complex तरीके से उस character से deal करूँगा. तो I had worked with Mehreen before, but I thought ऐसा हो सकता है that she's gonna tell me to dress it up cosmetically and say कि नहीं ये तो इबाद का कैरेक्टर है, ये पॉपुलर है, ये इस तरह है. मैंने ऑन पेपर कुछ और था, बट मेरी एक इंटरप्रिटेशन थी उसकी. मैंने मेहरीन को बोला, मैंने कहा ये तो लड़ता वड़ता है नहीं किसी से, अजीब सबड्यूड थोड़ा स्ट्रेंज सा हो सकता है. सो इट वाज लिटरली अ टॉक आई हैड विद हर. इफ आई वुड हैव टोल्ड एनीबडी एल्स दे वुड हैव सेड लाइक कि नहीं ये बहुत बड़ी नॉवल है, ये पहले से हम हिट बनाना चाह रहे हैं, तो इस बंदी का हमारे यहाँ बहुत दफ़ा एक्टर्स दे ऑल सम ऑफ देम केयर अबाउट देयर कैरेक्टर बीइंग अट्रैक्टिव. आई मीन if he's supposed to be attractive in the story, let him be attractive. But if अगर पेज पे कुछ और है तो उस दिन मुझे पता चल गया था. I mean, at Matayan I knew. So that's really one of her best strengths.
And it was a very lovable guy. I remember the character you played. And also
my friends really hated him. Like कुछ करता ही नहीं है, अच्छे काम करता रहता है, क्या होता है. मैंने कहा मुझे तो producer.
Where's the spice?
The producers told me, they're like, जब ये मरेगा सबको अफसोस होना चाहिए.
Exactly.
I was like, okay, so that's simple enough. That's simple.
And also in Homan Jahan, you played a very sweet guy, who was very loving, very sensitive. तो इसमें क्या है? Are you still the sweet, nice guy जो कुछ नहीं करता?
Yeah, this is very nice. This is very nice. I mean, Homan Jahan was a different genre, different environment. It was definitely. I मुझे नहीं लग रहा था उस वक्त मैं college student कर सकता हूँ. Even in experimentation थोड़ा limits होती हैं. Credit to Asim creating that aesthetic, and I had that confidence of at least looking the part, so it becomes easier to play it. This is surprising.
Okay.
This is what I like about it. It's contemporary. I mean, मैं हर जगह कह रहा हूँ, no offense, but like actresses के बारे में हमेशा वो होता है कि I'm playing a strong female lead, and it's true. It's happening all over the world. But मेल एक्टर्स के लिए भी कभी-कभी लिमिटेड पार्ट्स होते हैं. तो in this case, I mean, he's a professional living in New York, so immediately I was like, yes.
Okay.
He's living a free life.
So is he a go-getter? He's
Yeah, he's definitely living life according to his rules, which is what I love about Hamad. And very excited, and interesting things have happened.
strong male character, huh?
No, just a free male character, जिसकी primary concern ये नहीं है कि
थोड़ी
मुझे
सी
ये शादी हो
insecurity होगी भाई यहाँ पे फौरन ज़ैनब को.
But नहीं,
Hamad, what are you saying?
professions नहीं मिलते कभी, मतलब characters के
Exactly,
professions नहीं होते.
इसमें सब लोगों के profession.
So Hareem, what is Hareem like in real life? मुझे तो पता है. So थोड़ा filter करके बोलिएगा. लेकिन what is Hareem like in real life?
Hareem is exactly the opposite of ज़ैनब बिल्कुल मतलब
हमें तो ये भी नहीं पता ज़ैनब कैसी, हम पूछे
ज़ैनब एक मासूम शरीफ इंसान एंड क्या कहते हैं एक आर्टिस्ट है who's exploring life
जहाँ झूठ बोलोगे मुझे पता लग जाए।
हाँ तो आपके सामने मैं झूठ भी नहीं बोले नहीं बेसिकली एक बहुत सोबर इंसान हूँ
बहुत
मैंने ज़िंदगी में ज़्यादा आई डोंट हैव मच एम्बिशंस आई डोंट वांट टू वर्क मच जस्ट जो अल्लाह दे दे
जो अल्लाह
नॉट
शादी
ट्रू
करके बस घर जाऊंगी और पिया के
नहीं मैं हलीम इन रियल लाइफ इज at least this is what I think I'm a go-getter if I want something in life I just especially if someone says ना कि नहीं ये नहीं हो सकता तुम नहीं कर सकती खास तौर पे इसलिए तुम एक औरत हो बस उसके बाद दुनिया यहाँ से यहाँ
जिंदगी बड़ी आसान हो जाती है।
हाँ।
हर बात में कहते हैं हरीम तुम ये नहीं कर सकती, तुम ये नहीं कर
मैंने रोज मैं और आमना मैं ये नहीं पहनूंगी आमना मुझे स्टाइल भी करती है हमारे तो मैं ये नहीं पहनूंगी आमना क्यों नहीं पहनूंगी किस लिए नहीं पहनूंगी बस ना तो मतलब फॉर मी एंड आई लव टू लाफ आई हेट
आई थिंक वी ऑल नो दैट।
हाँ मुझे सीरियस रहना और ज़्यादा देर तक कोई सीरियस बात हो जाए तो बिल्कुल या मैं जोन आउट हो जाती हूँ या मेरी टेंशन खत्म हो जाती है।
It's a miracle we work together.
I know हाँ क्योंकि
You should have zoned out the first day.
Adil, I have a few times rather initially. Then I started getting what he used to say.
हरीम से पूछते हैं कि what is Adil like in real life?
Adil is a professional. पक्का full time ठीक है. And this is what I keep on
Not
telling
half
him. हाँ बिल्कुल भी नहीं. And this is what I keep on telling him. He loves to talk.
Okay.
He loves to talk.
version is interesting.
But at the same time he doesn't talk shit. बकवास नहीं करता है मतलब वो अगर मैं तो जोन आउट हो जाती थी पहले लेकिन then I started actually started listening to him कहते what does he say अच्छा तो अभी तो बोल रहा था एक सेकंड ये जो उससे पहले बोला था it made sense okay continue ये होता था
At
literally
least
ये
you
होता
thought
था
about it the same day. Some of my friends thought about it 10 years later.
No, that's true और फिर मैं कहती थी एक सेकंड बात तो ये सही कर रहा है ठीक है थोड़ी देर से घूम के पॉइंट पे आया लेकिन बात उसने सही की है and he's a very he's a nice guy अदील कि आपको थोड़ा सा पता नहीं क्यों लोग समझते हैं कि इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू वर्क विद हिम इट्स नॉट एट
अच्छा
ऑल
लोग समझते हैं ये।
हाँ दैट्स
जिन्होंने
ट्रू
मेरे साथ काम नहीं किया होता वही समझते
हाँ नहीं दैट्स ट्रू क्योंकि आप लोग आई डोंट नो एक तो तुम इतने हीरो माचो बने रहते हो ना तो लोग कहते हैं पता नहीं कितने सीरियस हो तुम
I tell you, but you continue. I'll tell. I
keep
look
going, आप अच्छी
forward.
बातें करेंगे।
मेरी भी बारी आएगी.
So Adil, we know that
मजाक कर रहा
you're an ardent photographer. You love so दिमाग में हमेशा से you saw the world in frames या
Yeah, but I will say this: I drew and painted a lot as a child. I was lucky enough to have a very strong artistic education. My aunt painted, my mamu painted, and they did teach me a lot as a child. But मुझे कोई idea नहीं था कि मुझे acting करनी है या film making में जाना है. बहुत एक looped journey हुई जिसमें बाहर पढ़ना था, internships थी, दूसरे professions को consider करना था. Then I just dove in at the ripe old age of 27 is when I started.
Okay.
You know. So I guess the reason why I was always had this compensation going on was because मुझे पता था एक तो decision देर से लिए और फिर पता नहीं काम समझने में कितना टाइम लगेगा तो मेरी शुरू में काम स्टार्ट करते हुए when I started TV तो tolerance काफ़ी कम थी.
Okay.
So I was always seeking out people who know what they are doing so they won't take my heightened passion as a bad thing.
Okay.
और अमूमन जब खुद दूसरे लोगों को कमांड नहीं होते अपने काम पे तो वो फिर पैशन से डरते हैं और जिसको पता होता है कि वो दूसरा बंदा क्या कह रहा है जैसे हरीम ने बताया in Marine's case, so they know how to channel that. So obviously it was difficult for me in the beginning for sure. But yeah, since then it's just I've been discovering it as I go along. I've loved photography. I'm definitely somebody who never made these demarcations. ये किया तो वो तो कोई और ही school of thought है.
Okay, so you
यहाँ
like
बैठे हैं तो
experimenting
actor हैं
things
वहाँ बैठे तो photographer कोई और चीज़ बन गया. I just do think there's a unity to this process and that's why I'm more comfortable now कि अब 2016 में हम हर जगह देख रहे हैं actors direct कर रहे हैं और किसी का photographic background है. Yeah, I am quite hungry for this work. I love what I do and yeah, seriousness makes me happy.
So break में अदील said कि आप मेरीन से एक मुश्किल सवाल पूछें and I've come on to that मुश्किल सवाल.
Oh God,
अच्छा इसका
now
मतलब
she
है
really-
आमना तब से मैं और अदील बोल रहे हैं हमारी नहीं सुन रही है सवाल सोच रही थी मैंने क्या
मैं भी जोन आउट हो गई थी. मैं क्या सवाल सोच रही मुश्किल सवाल उस पे एंड कर रही थी दोनों भी जोन आउट हो गई.
ठीक है
Who is a better actor?
अरे यार they're very different approaches you can't say I
ये
don't
तो
compare
आपने वो middle approach
नहीं तो है ना क्योंकि
नहीं, सच
आप एक्टिंग स्टाइल्स कैसे कंपेयर कर सकते हो कि डस्टिन हॉफमैन उससे बेहतर है या उससे इससे बेहतर है इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट अप्रोचेस डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स सो आई
But as a director, आपको what do you think?
I think they're both great to work with. They have very different approaches and styles, but that's what makes them.
But these were the best leads that you could
I
work
have no
with.
regrets whatsoever.
चलो शुक्र रिलीज से पहले बोल दिया
Leads, come on, high five.
हाई फाइव
Okay, so with that, we're just going to announce कि दोबारा फिर से is coming out on the 25th of November, and we are going to be there because we're very excited. The movie looks beautiful, and we hope that all of you are going to get in your cars, go to the cinemas. सिर्फ 25 नवंबर को नहीं, उसके बाद भी दोबारा फिर से, and we're going to catch you at the premiere.